Hello, and welcome back again to our channel, Tutoring Made Easy. In today's video, we're being asked whether we can actually solve what we have on our screen. Now, this question, it relates to what we call a vector. So let's imagine that we have the vector, we have a vector AB, and it's has an x component of 1 and a y component of -3. Yeah, so the top part is an x component, and then the bottom part is a y component. So this is like a y component, and then this is an x component. All right. Now we've been asked to find, given this, vector AB, we should find the vector BA in the other direction. Now, the only thing we're going to do is we're going to change signs. So you see, in B comes first, and if we look at the B here, the sign there is a negative. So that negative sign in the B or in the y component, we're going to give that to the x. So it's actually going to be -1, and then we're actually going to maintain the y component in the b part, which is going to be 3. That's all you need to do. So the sign here will change. We give it to the x, and then the sign in the y component will also change to be positive. So the y component will be positive, and then the x component will be negative. On the other hand, if we're being asked to find the negative of the vector AB, if we want to find the negative of vector AB, we're just going to introduce a negative sign first before the vector itself, which is 1 and -3. That's all we're going to do. Now, this gives us like a -1, an invisible -1, 1 and -3. What does that mean? It means we're going to multiply the -1 to the x component, and we're also going to multiply -1 by the y component. And when we do that, we're actually going to get what? -1 and +3. And doing that, we can see that the negative vector of AB is actually going to be the same as our BA. Therefore, we can say that we can conclude that the vector BA is actually the same as the negative of the vector what? Of the vector AB. I hope this helps. Thank you, and please subscribe.